What's up, everybody? Sven Diesel here. We recently purchased a new Christmas tree and it had the twinkly light system on it. So I got a lot of questions about it, so I figured I'd just post a little video about it. First, we're just going to go into the app. I've already set it all up and synced it all, and it was really easy, but I'll show you how easy it is. We're just going to come up here to the power option. I'll go ahead and power it on. You can set the power at different brightnesses. You can also set a timer. You can turn it off, really easy. But let's go ahead and see what the cool feature is. So here's our effects gallery. I've already been to the Twinkly store and downloaded some new effects. You can also get into some other things we'll touch on, but here's how easy it is. Tap the icon, it switches. Let's say we want the 3D flag. There you go. You can see how it is on your phone. Key is, I think when you're first doing it, go up here into the layout. You're going to want to have the lights on in your house, and you just map the lights, and then what it's going to do is you're just going to focus on the tree and make sure you select the angle that you were looking at it primarily. Start mapping, and it's going to go through a process where it's scanning all the lights that are visible. I think this is where it focuses on the lights in the front and not so much in the back. And you can see there's our mapping that it registered all the lights. We'll go ahead and click OK, and it's going to basically create the optimized version of what we see from where I'm sitting right now, and then we'll go ahead and set it on a setting. So that was pretty easy. It comes with a bunch of different options. I've already downloaded a few extras. One of my favorite ones is the fairy line. You can see it's kind of fun. You can also go in and a lot of them you can change the angles, tweak the settings, the speed, have it go fast, have it go slow. A few others have a lot more colors options to it. Like for example, if we go back up to one of the primary ones, like the candy cane, we go to edit, you've got other color options there that you can apply to. I'm just going to cancel out because I like the candy cane. We go to the 3D flag, and here's a lot of color options. There's a really cool function that my kids were having a lot of fun with. We'll cancel out of there. And this is the create an effect. So what we have here is we have a blank tree. We'll go ahead and select our color. We can select our shade. And right now we're on wide or narrow. I'll go to narrow, and we'll just go ahead and paint some red lights. And then I'll do a little bit wider. You can see the difference between those two. Let me switch a color, and I'll go ahead and erase what I did. And we'll go ahead and do a thin blue line, so you can see the difference on the tree between the two, wide versus thin. You can also add a sparkle, and I'll add that in the down here at the base, and so that's going to sparkle. Now what is really cool is you can create a play option. So I'll push play, and you can see how it's rotating through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sparkle, and I'm going to highlight a little area here blue, and you can see as the play clock goes around, it's going to be different times. So it's going to start over there at the beginning, and then at the end go there. Let's add another color here as we're progressing through the timeline, so you can see that you're creating a time-lapse effect, and you can have it change different colors as you are going through it using that time icon. So then you can save it. Of course, I'm not going to save that one, but it's a really cool app. Super easy to use. The thing I like most is it connects to my home Wi-Fi, and the kids have had a blast with it, but this is by far our favorite thus far, and that's a standard one. So I'll go ahead and click apply, so that each time it turns on and off, this is the one that will be used, the glow. And we still got to decorate the tree with a lot more effects, and you know, add our sparkly balls and everything else to the tree. But let's go ahead and just turn it off, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Comment below if you have any questions.